a blessed night to all of us. Guys, the date tonight is March 27, 2026. At bukas po ay magba-birthday po si Nanay Rose. So, she's turning 75 years old. That's why I'm planning to make a money bouquet with 75,000. Kasi nga, 75 years old na siya bukas. So, I really hope na magustuhan po niya, because I accumulated this amount of money for a couple of months. So, I have a materials here: foam, barbecue sticks, tape, and of course, the money. Bukas na po ako bibili ng pambalot. So guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay gagawa ng ilalagay yung pera sa barbecue sticks. So without further ado, simulan na natin to. So guys, natapos ko na yung money bouquet. Yan na. Okay, napakaganda, diba? So, magsisimula na yung celebration. I-update ko kayo mamaya. Ito na. Ulap lang pera namin. Rider. Happy birthday to you.